What's up, guys? Hopefully all of you are doing well. Today I'm just going to be doing the last subscriber shout outs for 2018. You know, every year I look back and I see what we've made and I ask myself, how do I want to approach future recipes so that you all can get the best out of my videos? Well, needless to say, sometimes it takes some forethought on my part to decide how I want to demonstrate a recipe so that you're not only excited about what we're making, but you also leave with the confidence to do the recipe on your own. I love to see when the recipes come full circle, meaning you guys sending me pictures, emails, DMs, even Facebook messages of the recipes that you have put together. So let's get into it. First up, we have Cassie, who made a banana pudding with some whipped cream on top and lots of vanilla wafers, and we got a cookie missing because she made it very clear in the email that her baby took that cookie right off the edge of the pudding. But it's okay, the baby knows what's good. Next, we have Marquita. She made the chicken tetrazzini. As you can see, she put lots of cheddar cheese on top, and she even added a personal touch of some toasted breadcrumbs. She put that in the oven and it got all toasty. I love this. I love it when you guys put a little extra of your own touches in the recipes. The next couple of photos is from Leonard P. He sent me a message via Facebook to let me know, Miss Carolyn, I finally learned how to wash my rice. His rice won't be sticking together anymore. Nice and fluffy for Leonard. Next up, we have Dietrich T from Los Angeles. She made sweet potato pies and that vegetable orzo salad. She did mention to me that there is a vegan in the family, so she's always making recipes that will accommodate different relatives in her family. She also made pound cake and the brined turkey recipe over there in that nice, it looks like a roaster. But Dietrich's always making stuff, y'all. She cooks a lot and she sends me a lot of photos. Bruce from Indiana shot me a picture to let me know he received his seasoning and he was ready to attempt his first pot of gumbo. Actually, I think he's made it twice between Thanksgiving and now. So he's getting really good at it and he's gonna make it his own. Troy out of Colton, Oregon, he made the banana pudding 2 times, which is on the right. Then he said he loved the filling so much that he took the filling, added some sweetened coconut, and some whipped cream on top, and then topped it off with some toasted coconut in a baked pie shell and made his own coconut cream pie. Now that's creativity. I like that a lot. And those look awfully good. Karnesa right out of Philly. As you can see, she's been doing the most. She made the red velvet cookies. She made the sweet potato pound cake with all of the trimmings, that beautiful icing and the nuts on top. And she made the caramel pecan pound cake. Quaysha did quite a bit of cooking over the holiday season and she was sending me pictures via Instagram. She made the lemon cream cheese pound cake, beautiful. She made the candy yams and she made the homemade sweet potato pies. At the top of Quaysha's Instagram page, it says, happily engaged and living life. I love that, straight to the point. Shannon from Baltimore, Maryland made her pot of gumbo. She's got her sausage in there, her chicken, and her crab, and she decorated it beautifully. Presentation is always key. Krystal B made the strawberry ombre cake, and I'm gonna tell you, Krystal sent me a few pictures. It looked like they were cutting it as they took pictures. It was constantly being eaten or served out. It was going fast, but she did a great job. I got this DM from Sommer on Instagram. She made the cream cheese red velvet pound cake with all of the toppings. You see how she took a little bit of the cake and sprinkled it on top because her family doesn't care for the nuts. So she was creative. Very nice. Mrs. Martinez sent me a message via Instagram letting me know she's made the chocolate cake quite a few times. The first time she sent it to me on the left, she took it to work with some berries on top. The second time on the right where she sent it to me, she ombre'd her frosting and then she got out her piping bags and you can see it was for a bridal shower. So she was really up to the task of making that recipe her own. Next, I have Tyler who sent me a boomerang on Instagram and she says, I had to re-up on my fave, supporting at CookWithCarolyn. Couldn't get through the holiday season without my GD seasoning. I know that's right. Thank you so much. And thank you guys for all of your support with ordering the seasoning and using it and loving it. I really do appreciate that. SugarPuddinPie made some gumbo and as you can see, served it up with a side of hot water cornbread. Now that was some good eating. Don't that just give you the warm and toasties all over? Roseann, right out of Jamaica. Yes, we have international families cooking with us. She made the coconut pineapple layer cake, and that looks absolutely gorgeous. Great job, Roseann. While 2018 had a few rough patches for me, I can still say living through another year was a blessing. Make no mistake that I appreciate all of you who show up and take the time to watch my videos and communicate. I look forward to cooking more recipes with all of you in 2019. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.